Hello, everyone. Welcome back to this IELTS learning series. In today's lesson, which is part 6, we are going to focus on advanced English techniques that will help you improve both your speaking and writing for the IELTS exam. Please listen carefully, repeat when necessary, and take notes. Let's get started. 1. Advanced vocabulary for IELTS. One of the key elements of getting a higher band score in IELTS is using precise and advanced vocabulary. Instead of using simple words like good, bad, big, or small, try using stronger alternatives. For example, instead of saying good, say beneficial, effective, remarkable, or valuable. Instead of bad, say harmful, detrimental, or unfavorable. Instead of big, say enormous, substantial, or significant. Instead of small, say tiny, minute, or insignificant. When you use this kind of vocabulary naturally in your speaking or writing, examiners notice that you have a wide range of expressions. 2. Collocations and phrases. Advanced learners don't just use big word, they use collocations, natural word combinations. For example, instead of saying I made a big mistake, say I made a grave mistake. Instead of the result was very good, say the result was highly satisfactory. Instead of the city is growing fast, say the city is expanding rapidly. Notice how the second version sounds more academic and advanced, which is perfect for IELTS writing and speaking. 3. Advanced grammar structures. Now let's move to grammar. Using complex sentences naturally will increase your band score. Here are 3 useful structures. A. Conditional sentences. For example, if governments invested more in renewable energy, climate change could be significantly reduced. B. Passive voice. For example, it is widely believed that education is the key to success. C. Relative clauses. For example, students who practice speaking daily are more confident in the exam. Try to practice these structures until they become natural in your speech. 4th IELTS. Speaking, advanced techniques in the IELTS. Speaking test, confidence and fluency are more important than perfection. Here are 3 tips. 1. Expand your answers. Don't just say yes or no. For example, if the examiner asks, "Do you enjoy reading?" Don't just say, "Yes, I do." Instead say, "Yes, I truly enjoy reading, especially historical novels because they help me understand different cultures and time periods." 2. Use linking words. Connect your ideas with words like moreover, however, on the other hand, consequently, and in addition. 3. Add examples. For instance, I believe exercise is essential. For example, during the pandemic, I started jogging every morning, and it improved both my physical and mental health. 5. IELTS writing. Advanced strategies for task. 2 essays always follow a clear structure. Introduction, body paragraphs, conclusion. Introduction, paraphrase the question and state your opinion. Example, if the question is about technology in education, you can start with, technology has transformed the educational landscape, and its role continues to expand in classrooms worldwide. Body paragraphs. Each paragraph should have one clear idea, supported with explanation and example. For instance, firstly, digital tools such as interactive platforms enable students to learn at their own pace. For example, many online applications allow learners to repeat lessons until they master the material. Conclusion. Summarize without repeating. In conclusion, technology offers numerous benefits for students and teachers, but it should be balanced with traditional methods to achieve the best results. 6. Pronunciation and intonation. Don't forget, how you say something matters. Speak clearly, stress important words, and vary your intonation so you don't sound flat. Practice with sentences like, education is the most powerful weapon to change the world. If we don't act now, we may regret it later. 7th practice activity for the viewer. Before we finish today's lesson, here's a short practice for you. I'll give you a simple sentence and your task is to upgrade it to an advanced version. The sentence is, people use the internet a lot. Now make it more advanced. For example, the internet has become an indispensable tool that people rely on extensively for both professional and personal purposes. Did you notice how the advanced version sounds more academic and natural for IELTS? Try this practice with different sentences every day. Eighth, final advice. Remember, advanced English is not about using difficult words randomly. It's about using the right word at the right time. Practice daily, read academic articles, listen to podcasts, and record yourself speaking. Over time, you will notice a huge difference in your fluency and confidence.